Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best weight bench with squat rack that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Merach Weight Bench, a versatile and foldable weight bench designed for home gym enthusiasts. This bench stands out immediately with its impressive 990-pound weight capacity, which is the highest in our list today. Made from heavy-duty steel, it's crafted to handle intense workouts without compromising on stability or durability. The 72 unique workout angles, created through the combination of 6 backrest positions, 4 seat adjustments, and 3 footrest configurations, make this a highly adaptable choice for users of all fitness levels. The design of the Merach Weight Bench is compact, folding down to just 7.8 by 28.3 by 11.8 inches, saving up to 80% space, perfect for those with limited room in their home gym. The padding and PU leather upholstery ensure comfort even during long sessions, while the nearly assembled delivery is a convenient touch for quick setup. However, the bench's overall weight capacity and durable construction seem to cater primarily to advanced users who push heavy loads regularly. While this bench offers a lot of value at $89.99, the lack of built-in squat rack functionality makes it less versatile compared to other products on this list. It's ideal for users looking for a dedicated weight bench with high adjustability and a compact footprint, but may be less suited for people wanting a combined squat rack setup. Pros include its high weight capacity, compact foldability, and professional-grade adjustability. On the downside, it's limited in functionality for exercises requiring a squat rack. Coming in at rank number 4, we have the Fonbear Squat Rack Stand, which is a multifunctional weightlifting rack designed for beginners and professionals alike. This product offers a 550-pound max load capacity, making it suitable for most users who want to perform squats, bench presses, pull-ups, and push-ups. The adjustable design allows you to customize both height and width, ensuring it fits your body type and workout needs seamlessly. The Fonbear Squat Rack excels in its simplicity. It's easy to assemble, features safety catches for secure lifting, and has a compact design that saves space when folded. The inclusion of a pull bar and dip station adds versatility, making this rack a solid choice for full-body workouts. However, the relatively lightweight build, 13.36 kilograms, may compromise stability during heavy lifts, especially for advanced users who require rock-solid equipment. Priced at $99.89, this rack strikes a good balance between affordability and functionality. It's perfect for those just starting out or looking for an entry-level squat rack with some added features. However, it lacks the premium build quality and higher weight capacity of some of the other options on this list. Pros include its adjustability, ease of use, and space-saving design. Cons are its lower weight capacity and potential wobbliness under maximum load. At rank number 3, we have the adjustable squat rack from King Kang. This multi-function barbell rack is designed for users who want versatility and robust construction for their home gym. With a weight capacity of 690 pounds, it's suitable for intermediate to advanced lifters. The standout feature here is the 13 height adjustment positions, ranging from 33.8 to 65.5 inches, giving users precise control over their workout setup. Additionally, the 6-position adjustable width makes it flexible for various body types and training styles. The design of this squat rack prioritizes safety with non-slip pads and sturdy bumpers. Whether you're squatting heavy or bench pressing, the stability is impressive, which is critical for high-intensity workouts. At $115.99, this is the premium option on our list, and it delivers the quality you'd expect at this price point. It's also relatively easy to assemble. thanks to a detailed installation guide included in the packaging. While the Kang Kang Squat Rack is excellent for heavy lifters, its bulkier design might not suit individuals with limited space. Additionally, it's primarily focused on barbell training, which means it may not be the best choice for users seeking a hybrid bench and rack combo. Pros include its high weight capacity, adjustability, and safety features. Cons are its larger footprint and higher price tag. Securing the number 2 spot is the Flybird Weight Bench, a product backed by 20 years of expertise in fitness equipment design. With an 800-pound weight capacity, this bench boasts a commercial-grade steel frame and a balanced structure that ensures safety and durability. The highlight here is its quick adjustment system, offering 8 back and 3 seat positions for a full range of workout angles, from 90 degrees incline to negative 30 degrees decline. This versatility makes it ideal for full-body exercises like chest press, shoulder press, rows, and more. The Flybird Bench is designed for convenience, folding down to save 80% of space. Its compact footprint makes it perfect for users working out in tight spaces. And its lightweight construction, 28.5 pounds, adds portability. The foam padding and faux leather upholstery provide comfort and grip during workouts, while the durable build ensures long-term use. However, this product lacks squat rack functionality, which might be a deal-breaker for users seeking a combined solution. Priced at $109.99, the Flybird Bench is a solid investment for those prioritizing durability and adjustability in a weight bench. Pros include its high weight capacity, ease of adjustment, and compact storage. Cons are its relatively high price for a bench-only product and the absence of a squat rack. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench, which is the most affordable option on our list at just $79.99. Despite its budget-friendly price, this bench delivers exceptional value with a weight capacity of 660 pounds and a robust double triangle structure that ensures stability during tough workouts. Its 84 adjustable options, 7 back positions, 4 seat adjustments, and 3 leg configurations make it incredibly versatile for incline, decline, and flat exercises. The compact design of the Yoleo bench is perfect for home gyms with limited space. It folds down to a manageable size and weighs just 23.1 pounds, making it highly portable. The high-density foam padding and PU leather cover provide comfort and durability, ensuring a pleasant workout experience. This bench is great for beginners and intermediate users who want a reliable solution for their full-body workouts without breaking the bank. While the Yoleo bench excels in affordability and adjustability, it doesn't include squat rack functionality, which limits its use for exercises like squats or heavy barbell lifts. However, for its price, it's hard to beat the value it offers. Pros include its low price, sturdy build, and wide range of adjustments. Cons are the absence of a squat rack and slightly lower weight capacity compared to premium options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.